Hey everyone, and thank you for joining us at Working on Exploring. In this video, we are still traveling in Montana and accidentally discover an island in the Clark Fork River. This was very much an unplanned outing and a pleasant surprise that we came back twice. So let's go check it out. First, let's back up a bit. We left our Overland Rally and Sandpoint 2 days ago, and with solar not working, we needed to drive the truck out of Big Eddy Campground and leverage our second alternator to charge our batteries. We also needed to get online and just take care of stuff. So the next town of any size was 45 miles away, and we planned on finding another camping spot along the way. Arriving in town and making a couple of wrong turns, we saw a sign for a historic bridge and thought that could be a good place to go walk and stretch our legs. 2 blocks later, we found a city park parking lot with good cell signal to be our midday parking spot. When I just videoed those, the dry channel dam.
Right, that's
right
over there.
Over there. Okay. So we're going to go walk over to the falls.
Okay.
What a surprise little outing. As you'd guess, the town Thompson Falls is located next to natural waterfalls on the Clark Fork River. Thompson Falls was named after British explorer and fur trader David Thompson. The town grew after the 1881 railroad arrival, and the gold rush ramped up in Coeur d'Alene. By 1910, the town was established, and the Thompson Dam was then constructed on the original falls and completed in 1915. Once you cross the first bridge from town, you are in the middle of an island with hiking trails and scenic views. The historic bridge is on the opposite side of the island. We walked everywhere on this island and then kept going across to the historic bridge and even followed a trail through the surrounding forest area. These bridges were built in 1911 to support the hydroelectric projects. This one called the High Bridge and connected the island with the river's south bank. It was closed to all traffic in the 1970s, and in 2010, a renovated High Bridge was reopened to pedestrians and bicycle use. We lingered at a small city park, caught up with life, enjoyed lunch, walked to Cooper, and finally hit the road to our next camping area called Finlay Flats. From here, we return to our original plans and start camping our way to Stanley, Idaho. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll catch us next week. If you liked the video, please drop us a like, share it with others, and even drop us a comment below. That's actually the fun part of working on these videos, is reading your comments and questions, especially on the rig. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. So don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can keep up with us. We will soon be making our way back to the shop with a mile-long fix-it and upgrade list. Then it is back to work so we can get back to exploring.